Natural selection. So today we are going to discuss about natural selection. It is the phenomenon wherein nature selects organisms having favorable to environment. So natural selection is nothing but where the nature is going to select the organism which is suitable to live, which adjusts or which adapts the environment. What is genetic drift? The elimination of the genes of certain traits from the small population when a section of the species population dies of natural calamity or migrates to other region is called genetic drift. So what happens in this genetic drift? It is nothing but it is random fluctuation in the number of gene variants in the population. Genetic drift takes place when occurrence of variant forms a gene. Okay, the chances of organisms migrating or they die due to some phenomenon, that is known as genetic drift. Thus the natural selection and genetic drift works towards evolution, but decreases in body weight due to starvation is an acquired trait in the beetles during their lifetime. It will not bring any change in the DNA. So if the organism is migrating, it is going from one place to another, or it is dead due to some natural calamities, it is okay. It is accepted. But if the beetles are starving and they are dead, it has no connection with the DNA. So over here you can see genetic drift, natural selection. It is sudden and quick process. It is a gradual and slow process. It selects harmful variation by change. It selects only adaptively useful variation. So here on the screen you can see the example is shown. So best example if I want to give you, it is a change in the frequency of allele within a population over a time. A population of rabbits can have brown fur and white fur, with brown fur being the dominant. Okay, so if you compare rabbits with brown fur and white fur, you will find that brown fur is dominant. By random chance, the offsprings may all be brown, and this could reduce or eliminate the white fur rabbits. So over here you can see there can be random change seen. Now let us talk about the speciation. What is speciation? It defines origin of new species from the existing one due to reproductive isolation of a part of its population. It is called speciation. So speciation, the formation of new and distinct species in the course of evolution. Speciation involves the splitting of a single evolutionary lineage into two or more genetically independent lineages. What is the process of speciation? It is the process by which new species form. It occurs when groups in a species become reproductively isolated and diverge. Thus, the key factor in speciation is genetic variation, geographical isolation, natural selection, genetic drift, and reproductive isolation.